let's see about the Roman numerals. Roman numerals. See about the Roman numerals also you have studied in the 4th standard and 4th standard. So I am just giving the revision of that. Okay. So in our Indian numeration, in the Indian system, when we write the numbers, we use to write the numbers, we use the digits. Which are the digits we use? We use the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Using these digits, these 10 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 digits. Using these 10 digits, we can form our numbers. Any number, any big number, we can form using all these digits, isn't it? So, we have seen some other type of numbers, isn't it? So, when we write the class standard 1, how I have written here standard 6. Okay, this is a Roman numeral 6. It is 6. That is Roman numeral, isn't it? Then in the question papers also we have seen this Roman numerals, isn't it? Ancient times, then we used this Roman numerals. How we have to write the Roman numerals, about that we are going to see today. So for writing the Roman numerals, like we use these digits to write our numbers, for writing the Roman numerals also there are some symbols. We use some symbols to write the Roman numerals. Let's see that symbols. See the English alphabets, letters we use I, V, X, L, C, D, M. These are the symbols we use to write the Roman numerals. Which are the symbols? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, how many symbols are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Using these 7 symbols, we can write all the Roman numerals. Right? So, I means this is number 1. Okay, in our numeration, we write for 1 in the Roman numerals, we use this symbol I. Then, this is 5. 1, this is 1 and it is 5. Then, this is for 10. Again, this is 50, 50. L is for 50 and C is for 100 and D is for 500 and M is for 1000. Okay, using all these symbols we can write the Roman numerals. See the numbers. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. Okay, for writing the Roman numerals we have to follow certain rules. So then we can write so many numbers. Whatever numbers we want we can write if we understand, if you follow some rules to write the Roman numerals. Let us see that. First rule is, if a symbol is repeated, then the value of the symbols are added as many times it is repeated. That means how many times the symbols are repeated, that many times the value of the symbol is added. These are the values of the symbols. The symbols has these values. I symbol has value 1, then V symbol has value 5. Like that these symbols have these values. Okay, now let's see. This is a symbol I is written only one time. So this is called 1. This is number 1. Now this symbol is written 2 times. I. It is written 2 times. Then its value gets added. Added means we have to add this. This I means 1. Again I means 1. Then we have to add 1 plus 1. It becomes 2. Right? So similarly, so if we write 3 I's, 3 times I, if we write like this, then what we have to do is we have to add the symbols. That is, this is 1 plus again one more 1, again one more 1. That is 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, this way we have to add and write the value of the number. Right? So next, this is symbol X. The symbol is X. What is the value of this symbol X? That is 10. That is 10. Then see, 2 times X is written. 2 times we have written the symbol X. Then we have to, the value gets added. That means first X is, the value is 10. One more X is there plus 10. One more time we have to add 10. So it is equal to 20. This becomes 20. Okay. Then next again X. 3 times X is written. That means 3 times the value gets added. 10 plus 10 plus 10. This is equal to 30. This is equal to 30. The next rule is, so this way we can form the numbers. Okay. Then and the second rule is, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. One symbol, see here 1 I, 2 I's, 3 I's. And we cannot write 4 I's like this, because that means a symbol can be repeated only 3 times, not more than 3 times a symbol is repeated. Okay. Roman numeral, one symbol can be used only 1 time. And next thing you have to remember that the symbols VLD, that is V is 5, L is 50 and D is 500. Okay, V 50, L is 50 and D is 500. These symbols are never repeated. These symbols cannot repeat. Only other symbols can be. I can be repeated, X can be repeated, C can be repeated, N can be repeated. Okay. Other symbols, this VLD, that is 5, 50 and 500 are never repeated. Okay. So first rule, what we have seen? If a symbol is repeated, its value gets added. That is the first rule. Second rule is, then symbol V, L, D are never repeated. And the next rule is that a symbol of smaller value is written next rule is a symbol of smaller value is written at the right of a greater symbol then the value of the smaller symbol is added to the greater symbol. Is added to the greater symbol. See once again, a symbol of smaller value is written at the right of a greater symbol, then the value of the smaller symbol is added to the greater symbol. Okay, that is, see here, V and I. V and I. See, V is, what is the value of V? V is 5. V is 5, isn't it? See, I is 1. See here, the greater values, the smaller value is written to the right of a greater value. Greater values, V has greater value than I, right? It is 5 and it's right, it is written a smaller value, that is I, isn't it? Then what happens is, its value is, the smaller symbol's value is added to the value of the greater symbol. What is the value of the greater symbol? Greater symbol 5. 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. It becomes 6. Okay, again you see, V and 2 i's are written here. Then what to do? See, it is written, the smaller values are written to the right of the greater symbol, right? Then its value gets added to the greater symbol. That is, greater symbol has 5 plus I is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 7. That becomes 7. Okay, similarly, X is 10 and one more I is written. X 10, it is a greater symbol and I is a smaller symbol. The smaller symbol is written to the right of a greater symbol. What happens? Its value, so smaller symbol's value is added to the value of the greater symbol. Greater symbol, the value is 10. The smaller symbol, the value is 1. Then 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. It becomes 11. Okay, did you understand? Yes. So, what are the rules we have seen now? So, first rule what we have seen, that is, a symbol is repeated, then its value gets added as many times it is repeated. Okay, then one symbol can be repeated only 3 times. And which are the symbols repeated? B and D are not repeated. That means I, X, C, M can be repeated. That also can be repeated only 3 times. Not more than 3 times it is repeated. Okay, then the symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value. The smaller symbol's value is added to the value of the greater symbol. Then another rule is, a symbol of another one is, a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of symbol of greater value its value is subtracted from the greater symbol. Subtracted from the greater symbol. See here, 5 is a greater symbol and I is written to the left. Then what we have to do? From 5 we have to subtract 1. Then that is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. It becomes 4. Right? The next, greater value 10 and I is written to the left of this. Okay? Then what is the value? It's 10 minus 1 we have to do. If it is written in the left side, we have to do 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. This is 9. Okay? So, I and I is written here in the left of 5 and V and X, that is 5 and 10, then its value gets reduced. We have to subtract. Okay children, I hope you understood. Okay, then the formation of numbers in the next class we will see. Okay, thank you.